So tell me, Mrs. Duck, what's been happening today? Eh? You're just swimming around in your little pond, enjoying the day, are you? Where have you been for the last 5 months? You don't know. What do you do when you get duck feed? Oh, you're having a wash now, okay. So there's this duck having a wash. Do you want to come back over here? Do you want to come back over here? Come back over here. That's a good duck. That's a good duck. Come right over here near the edge so we can talk to you. We do a duck view, okay? So is life pretty good in Duckland? I see, it must be. You're not a dirty duck, are you? You're going to hop up there? Do you want to hop up there and say hello? You don't know whether you want to hop up there and say hello or not. You a pretty duck? Can you put your head underwater? You just like being a star, don't you? You like being a star duck? Not a starbuck, a star duck. You're pretty tame for a wild duck, aren't you? You'd just fly away any time, couldn't you? You want some duck food? Would you like some duck food? We'll get you some duck food, okay? Right, so Duck said, I've finished with my YouTube appearances. It's time to get the reward. Would be nice if you hopped out and got it. Come on, you can hop out. Come on, you'll make it this time. That's a good duck. It's much easier to get duck food that way, isn't it? So, you've enjoyed seeing Duck here. Duck's been with us on YouTube now for probably 5 years. Calls in every now and again to have feed. Hit the like button, that's the thumbs up. Leave some comments. More importantly, subscribe to the channel. So you got one last look at the camera, Duck? Too busy eating. Don't forget, hit the like button, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You never know who might drop in.